Okay, let's get back into it. Our next question that we are going to work on solving for x in a two-step equation is -9 plus 3x. So we're going to figure out what is this unknown number. And my friends, you might have noticed in my previous videos that it did not equal 27. I just made some questions up, kind of quickly put something together that I thought would be useful for you guys. Now, don't get me wrong. Could this be solved? Yes. Was I 3/4 of the way through the equation when I realized that the answer required a calculator and it was a fraction? Yes. So we're not doing that today. We want these answers to be nice whole numbers that are easy for you to follow along with. So we have an answer here, and it's -9 plus 3x equals 27, not 8. I mean, could it equal 8? Yes, but not today. Today it's going to equal 27. Here we go. First step, we draw our equal sign. We have our line that we draw down our equal sign. Because this side is equal to this side, and whatever we do on the left side, we need to do to the right side to keep things even. We have x being multiplied by 3, and we want to get x alone. But before we can concern ourselves with this multiplication question, what else is happening here? We have it -9 being added to 3x. We need to get rid of this -9. If we can get rid of this -9, then we will be left alone with 3x. So what is the opposite of -9? +9. Essentially, if you have -9, you had 0, take away 9, and now you have -9. So the opposite of subtracting -9 would be subtracting 9 would be adding 9. So we're going to add 9 here, and then on this side, we are going to add 9 to keep things fair. And -9, +9 cancel each other out. And over here, I have 27 plus 9. All right, anybody want to do that in their head? 27 plus 10 would be 37. So what is 37? 1 less than that? 36. Or you can use your calculator, because things we don't need to be doing. We do not need to be learning this new skill when other skills can make tiny mistakes. We don't want to mess up with one tiny mistake and then ruin all the fun for ourselves. So we have 27 plus 9 equals 36. Okay, we're going to bring down our 3x equals 36. So we now have x being multiplied by 3. We need to get x alone. The opposite of multiplying by 3 would be to divide by 3. We need to divide both sides by 3. X times 3 divided by 3 cancels the 3 out, leaves us alone with x equals 36 divided by 3. Divided by 3 equals 12. X equals 12. Did you hear my moment of panic there, you guys, where I got really silent for a minute? I thought I made another complicated mistake. I didn't. It's fine. Okay, x equals 12. Let's see if we did this correctly. How do we know that we did it correctly? We are going to take the value of x, which is 12, and we are going to insert it back into our original equation. Wherever there's an x, we are going to replace that x with the number 12. And if our left side equals our right side, then we are coming out on top. We are winning. So I have -9 plus 3 times 12 equals 27. Let's do a little PEMDAS. We are going to do some multiplication here. 12 times 3 is 36. I'm going to bring everything else down. I have -9 plus 36 equals 27. You better believe I will be getting out my calculator. I am not here today to teach you about adding negative numbers or subtracting positive numbers. No, we're not doing it. I have fancy schmancy calculator and it comes with a negative button. So I'm going to say negative 9 plus 36 equals 27. So 27 equals 27. That means that this side is equal to this side, and we were correct. Well done, us.